In this video we're going to show you how to remove the door lock and the door handle from a Mark 8 Civic. Tools you'll need for the job: 10mm socket, 5mm Allen key bit, some long nose pliers and a posi screwdriver. You will need to remove the inner door card panel first, which you can find in our other videos. To get access to the inner door, you're going to need to remove this membrane. You can peel it back, but the stuff on it is so sticky, and if you get that on you, it is just impossible to get off and goes everywhere. I would recommend cutting the membrane with a knife and then use something like duct tape to seal it back up afterwards. Cut around that. Undo the plug for the door lock and the cable guide. You can feed that through. Don't need to cut it off all the way, just enough to get access to the inner door. Now you've got access to the inner door, you're going to have to remove this bolt first. There's a 5mm Allen key. This bolt holds the barrel in place, so you can move that away and it's just hooked in. If you just give it a wiggle, that will come out. Now there's two 10mm bolts holding the backing plate in place. The first one is just through that hole, you can see it up inside there. The second one is behind this rubber grommet. Get your hand in, you can pop that out from the back. And there's another 10mm bolt just inside there. Now the metal plate on the back is just hooked in. That'll pop out and just come away. Now the outer handle will be free. You can pull that away and remove the mounting plate. There's the connection to the door lock. I found the easiest way to remove it. If you've got some long nose pliers, just get it in behind and just pop that out. That'll remove the handle. If you also want to remove the door lock mechanism, first of all you've got to slide the window run out the way. If you get the rubber guide, the glass slides in, pull that away from the bottom, and there's one 10mm bolt holding the metal guide in place. That'll pull away and slide down. Final step to remove the lock: pull the cable guide away that runs to the door barrel. And there's 4 posi screws holding it in. One on the inside of the door, and there's 3 on the back. These sometimes can be really tight. You might need a screwdriver bit with a ratchet attached to the end. Once the last one's out, pull the lock out of the door.